I'm sure you've heard the news. Waterborne coatings aren't just the future, they're the now. Performance, sustainability, and compliance are raising the bar every day. So, are you ready to lead or just keep up? Let's be honest, being a coatings formulator today is no walk in the park. You're juggling low VOC targets, durability demands, and ever-tightening global regulations. Mastering raw materials isn't enough anymore. You've got to engineer finishes that survive real-world abuse, nail color accuracy, and deliver gloss on demand, all while making your formulations future-proof. That's where our Waterborne coatings training steps in. We're talking hands-on mastery, not textbook jargon. You'll learn how to crack the code on sub-50 gram per liter VOC systems without sacrificing performance. Fix pigment instability, so flooding, floating, and color shift become challenges of the past. Take total control of gloss, from dazzling shine to flawless matte with pinpoint precision. Design coatings tough enough for UV, chemicals, and thermal stress. And navigate REACH, BPR, and green certification like a pro. This isn't entry-level stuff. It's designed for R&D chemists, formulators, product developers, lab managers, anyone who wants to sharpen their edge and shape the next generation of sustainable solutions. You'll get strategies for advanced solvent management, pigment dispersion, gloss engineering, and durability that lasts. Plus, you'll join a community of professionals who don't just follow trends, they set them. Don't let complexity hold you back. Step up, stay compliant, and get ahead. Because the next breakthrough in waterborne coatings could have your name on it. Unlock your next-gen advantage. Sign up today. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. Also check out our newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for thousands of on-demand online courses.